kidding. Sitting here, ticking off Hail Marys. Think that gives you some kind of heavenly pass? God's gonna open the pearly gates when those next 2 bullets catch you in the head.
It's all a little absurd, I guess. Truth is, I know I'm going to hell. Praying just makes my time here a little less miserable. A few acts of contrition could make you feel good too, love.
There's only one way these beads could make me feel good. Love. And it involves a whole different act.
Must be hard. 2 kids, a full-time job, behind on the mortgage. What is it, 32,000 in credit debt?
We get by.